Now we are going to discuss the roots of elaboration likelihood model. Petty and Cassiopo propose that there are two general roots that marks people's mental strategies when they encounter persuasive messages: central and peripheral route. Central route to persuasion consists of thoughtful consideration of the arguments, ideas, content of the message. Through that route, we are actually interested to analyze the idea and the content shared with you through the media message. The central rule is motivated by concentration of the issues and arguments in the message. In through this route, we are more interested to see what message has been given through the media content. When a receiver is doing central processing, he or she is being an active participant in the process of persuasion. The recipient considers the information in a message, compares it to prior knowledge, and either integrates the new information or rejects it. So it's a three-step process. Once you receive the information through the message, once you receive that information, then you compare it with your prior knowledge, available knowledge, and on the basis of your analysis, either you accept it or reject it. Central processing has two prerequisites. It can only occur when the receiver has both the motivation and the ability to think about the message and its topic. You cannot opt a central route if you are not motivated to analyze the information given through the message, and you cannot opt central route if you haven't the ability to analyze that message. The second route is peripheral route. The peripheral route is the route followed by recipients who are either not motivated to devote mental energy to considering the message. It is actually the opposite route of the central processing route. And when we talk about the peripheral route, the audience that opt peripheral route are not able to totally understand the information due to mental abilities or environmental context, such as distractions. Persuasive effects are still possible in the peripheral route, but they are based on peripheral cues such as source attractiveness or credibility or the number of arguments and so on. Attitude formed by the peripheral route are generally shorter term and not necessarily predictive of behavior.